Damn, she looking good up in this party, sipping the party. I hope I ain't Tory, Harley, about to ride it just like a Ferrari. Wanna take a trip to a safari, okay, and eat calamari and ride it like a Harley. I'm Charlie, about to knock Barbie, and it's smoking like Morley. I eat it like Orbeez. Eyes with a story. I'm a rock out like a guitar G. It's lit in here. I mean, feel the atmosphere. I'm feeling sincere. Critical severe. Come here, yeah. I gotta take home a souvenir tonight. It's gotta be some memory. Check out how it's poppin'. Me and you got chemistry. I mean, when the kids see me, you know they know to mimic me. Put it down with simplicity, density, intensity. Okay, all in your vicinity. They like he got ethnicity. That means he got originality, personality. Okay, breaking it down casually to the point of totality. Gradually, I keep it pumping on the similar chocolate factory, order a daiquiri. What's my name? Just call me Zachary. And I'm all about calories and making more salary. I think her name was Valerie. Okay. No last name. Ain't nothing like my past game. I really know you're social. I'm so local. You gotta see me with the bifocals. In the ozone oval. Total. No money, that's a no-go. No place in your own, that's a no-show. Wanna fuck this first night, that's a hold-up.